Good morning, students. Let's see what to read in the Indian Express on 25th September 2025. So first one is one advertisement here from Haryana government. So basically here I want you to see this Deen Dayal Lado Lakshmi Yojana, which you can use as an example in your social justice part. So major thing is that. Second is 4 killed in police firing in Leh. So just go through what the Leh projects are about and what is going on there. It's basically about the statehood and the tribal area recognition by the demands by the people of Leh Ladakh region. Next is cloud seeding trials likely in October, November. Just read about the cloud seeding, how what chemicals are used and how it happens. Next is ahead of COP30 Brazil, India to release its climate action plan. The climate action plans mainly this nationally determined contributions NDCs. You know, it's in under 2015 Paris Agreement. So we have to modify. We have to release a new climate action plan ahead of COP30. So when you go to the editorial page, trajectory of irrelevance. So basically it is about relations of USA with United Nations and how it is proceeding with that. So just go through it once. Change at heart of leadership. So PM Modi's vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat reflects his originality of thought. So basically here Atmanirbhar Bharat and how it will help India grow. It is basically explained here in this article. Next is swipe, tap, spend. UPI is upstaging the ATM. So it is basically about formalization of Indian economy, how it is done and what is the future. Next is Vadodara river flows again. Its turtles and crocodiles get second chance at life. So you can use this in GS4, the best practice. The volunteers came forward and they rejuvenated the river under the river rejuvenation programs. So this is all for today in the Indian Express newspaper. Thank you.